Hello guys, hope everybody's keeping well and safe. Before I start to tell you what I'm cooking today, let me appreciate you guys. Let me say a very big thank you to all of you that have supported my channel genuinely. All of you that have made friends with me, all of you that have subscribed to me genuinely with your genuine comments, with your open hearts. I said a big thank you. A big shout out to you all. Thank you. And this is my kisses. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you so much. All my friends all over the world, you guys are great. You guys are great. I cannot mention names here. When I start mentioning names, I won't finish this vlog tonight. You know yourselves, those that have been supporting my channels. I say a big, huge thank you, thank you, thank you. Salama, salama, thank you, all of you. Let's crack on now. Today, I'm going to cook what is called paella rice. Most of you will know paella rice, but I'm using a different rice here now. So the paella rice will start like putting the saucepan on the fire. So the paella rice gonna start like this. This is my saucepan with the oil in there. You know my oil. I normally use assorted kind of oil. This is the mussels and king prawns. This is my chopped onions and my bay leaf. That is my spices I'm gonna use. Curry, thyme, different turmeric, paprika, cinnamon powder. All of them is there. This is my ground ginger and garlic paste. This is the rice I'm using. It's cooked and fluffy. Look, fluffy rice. Look how fluffy it is. You see? So that is my grounded tomatoes and puree tomatoes and chili pepper. So that is the oil in the saucepan. So I'm gonna tip in the onions, fry the onions. The onions will go in there with the bay leaves. Yeah. So everything I cook here on this channel is what we eat at home. It's what I eat in the house. So that's why I use, when I cook, all what I'm showing you guys here, they are all real, they are all genuine. They are not like I'm faking it up. No, this is what I eat at home here, So I'm frying the onions and the bay leaves. And it's going in there. I allow it to get brown a little bit. Guys, I cannot appreciate you guys enough, the way you people have been so supportive to my channels, backing me up, encouraging me when I say, oh, today I woke up 7 o'clock or 6 a.m. and I went to bed at 1 a.m. and I've been poking, subscribing to people, went to various people doing live stream, where I go to this or their live stream because it's like I'm paying back. I go round, thumbs up for them, thumbs up. But majority of them don't even come and look at my videos and make a comment. Only few, about 3 or 4, which I know. They know themselves so much. Thank you guys. Mama T, thank you so much, all of you. The rest, they don't bother. I come there every day. Sometimes these live stream people, they do 3 times in a day. I'm there 3 times in a day. I will be poking till 1 a.m., 12 midnight before I go to bed. It's just me because this is me. I'm genuine. Somebody do for you, you go and do for the person. But sometimes it doesn't really matter. If you do for somebody, they didn't do for you, just go. Another person will come and do it. Another person will do for you. That is my policy anyway. I'm not doing so that they come and do for me, but that's how it's supposed to be. If we say we are friends, we need to support each other, But anyway, this is what I do. I keep going round. Thank you, Jean Cruz. Thank you so much, my darling, from the Philippines. They are great people, those people. They are very honest, genuine people, those people. Aaron D, LD. Thank you, LDT. Thank you so much. Some I will be on their live stream saying hello, hello host, I give you thumbs up. They won't even respond back and say, oh, thank you, I'm here in their, in their house. They won't respond anyway. That is to show you how people are. So I'm gonna put in my spices in there. You see, sometimes I don't use too much oil, but the oil I use, they are healthy oil anyway, but it doesn't mean I should be swimming inside the cooking oil anyway, even if it's healthy. So guys, the puree, the tomatoes is cooking. What I normally do when I blend my tomatoes, open my chopped tomatoes or plum tomatoes tin, I cook it, simmer the water down so that it doesn't waste my time standing here cooking. That's what I do when I want to do all this kind of stuff. I've already cooked this one before. It was in the fridge. I just brought it out. So the day I want to cook big cook, I open things, I blend them, I use the one I will use, keep the rest back to the fridge, or I freeze it or put in the fridge. So while this one is cooking, guys, I'll put in my ginger paste and garlic paste in there. So I'm gonna tip in a little bit of water. So I'm going to tip in my rice, like we say here. I'm gonna pour in my rice, tip in my rice, bang in my rice. We use different language in the United Kingdom. We got so many slangs we use. Bang in my rice, banging it. It depends on where you live anyways. Different city with their different slangs. I bang it in, I pour it in, I tip it in. So now I'm gonna bang in, tip in, pour in. Anyone you want to use. Put in my paella. Put in my prawns and my you see that? The rice is already cooked. I cooked the rice halfway, so I've cooked the rice before. So guys, that is my paella rice cooking. But they got a special rice, for paella anyway. because I didn't have it at home. I just used my basmati rice, which is okay for me. So guys, keep subscribing and leave your comments. Please, guys, let me beg you guys again, please. I have a very short videos there that you will watch that will not take your time. 2 minutes, 3 seconds, or 3 minutes or so. Please, guys, when you watch my video, make a short comment relating to what you have watched. Don't just come to watch my video if you are subscribing to me, or and you just say, oh, I'm your friend. Your friend is here. I'm gonna delete it, or you delete it. I will let you delete it because that is not right. This is the rule of the is it a YP APY or YP, whatever they call it. The rules for YouTube. If you are a YouTuber, you need to go and read the rules for PYT. Very, very important. Any video you are watching, comments relating to that video you watch. Don't just go there, watch it. When you finish watching it for, is it 3 seconds, 2 seconds? What is the rule? Then you just say, oh, be my friend. I want you to be my friend. No, it doesn't work that way, darling. Don't do that, because that is spam. They say that is spam message. It won't go. Okay, guys, it won't go. So let's be genuine, please. Okay, let's be genuine. Let's support each other. Let's show love. Please, we're all here to support each other, okay? Not to pull each other down. Okay, guys? So keep safe, keep well, and take care, and keep vlogging. And bye. Bye, guys. Take care. Oh, switch off my lights. Bye, guys, and take care. And thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you, and bye, 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 bye.